Shibanta na kajing angnot jong ka sarkar India lengba ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav ha kajing Rakhe ye kajing da panyau pusan snem jong kajing yo lai loy na ka jing sanchar jong ki pareng ka Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Regional Outreach Bureau Shillong bat Tripura kila penlong da kajing Rakhe ban kinmau ye kajing len lade bat kajing IT kinongele lai loy jong kari India hakane ka program bakarpang lakan thupru shapangata ka COVID appropriate behavior bakumno ki pai ba kin sngotho ban bot yakita ki kendon jong kilat jingada na kata ka khlam COVID khat kandai hakane gisgi nakalyang ka Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Regional Outreach Bureau Shillong bat Tripura kilapan I namru ya kidur kidar jong baro kitu ki badon benta haka jingya khun ban panyo lai lu ya kari India bagan thup yo Mahatma Gandhi u Jawaharlal Nehru u Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel u Subhash Chandra Bose bat kiwei ki nongelam kibla IT bat len yala de ban panyo lai lu yala kari u Deputy Commissioner ka ribhoy u Arpit Upadaya ulawan ban play pa ya gajing pan inam ne ka exhibition kumu kongsan ha ka ne gisngi bat lai don langru u Block Development Officer ka Umsning CNRD block kumu sembut kongsan nalor ki khna school bat kinong hikai ki belawan ban shimmenta ha ka ne gisngi kwe pat ki belai don lang ki kunthop na do u Director ka Regional Outreach Bureau u Dr. Engam Pame ki nongelam shnong bakanthop yo ba roki kila Sherman ka Umsning Town Darbar kirang ba shnong bat kiwe pat ki ripat ba
As a student, during my childhood as a student, we read a lot about the freedom, right? So reading about the freedom and speaking about the freedom is a very tough task, I think. So myself as a video today, I like to speak on this occasion as a developmental officer. What is my relation with the freedom? Student and my colleagues, as we celebrate 75 years of independence, Umsning CNRD block to celebrate 70 years of the journey of its existence. Umsning block, before it was known as a Rivoy, that private development block, it was established in the year 1952. So see, just after the freedom, within 5 years, a CNRD block was established under the Free India. When India got independence, a lot of development activity took place. Then the first action by the independent country, by our country India, was for the development of tribal areas we call it. It was in the year 1952, a community development program was initiated under the leadership of block development officers and assisted by 6 to 7 extension officers. These extension officers were from other departments like the road, the health, the agri, the education department, and different departments. And they together, they work and initiated and implemented different type of schemes in the rural areas. Having said that thing, the word freedom doesn't mean that by chasing away the Britishers, we have been achieving our goal. During this freedom movement, many leaders of freedom fighters, our leaders come out. They are known to the history, they are written in the golden letters. Right from Mahatma Gandhi, we have seen, we have read these histories and how struggle the other leaders they did. Same way we know about Subhash Chandra Bose. Then we know about the history of Sardar Patel.
is a very great occasion. I would also like to request all the students not to sleep during my lecture. When I was a kid, I used to sleep. I used to feel this kind of meetings very boring. But today is an occasion that is very important for all of us. When we say that today we are celebrating 75 years of independence, but we are born in the independent times, we don't know what our forefathers, the makers of our nations, they have faced. So if we go through the history, we will find so many great personalities, and they have sacrificed so much. People have sacrificed their entire life to fight for our independence. Most of them, we don't even know their names. So sometimes I wonder why. What encourages a person to make such a great sacrifice to such an extent that they knew that they will not be able to see the independent India. They laid their lives for us, for India's independence. So what is it that drives you to such kind of a passion? This is our ideals. Our forefathers, the makers of our nation, they fought for us for ideals like equality, justice, brotherhood, fraternity, the freedom to make our choices, the freedom to express ourselves, the freedom to decide what I want to do in my life, the decisions which I make. So whatever we decide today to sleep or not, it is because of those freedom fighters only. And today when we are celebrating the 75 years of India's independence, we should realize that whatever we are enjoying these days, our life, it is because of the sacrifices made by our ancestors, made by our makers of our India. Today when we make decisions, no one thinks what are the implications of these things. Especially for the kids who are in the schools right now. You are the future of India.